Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Power Etrade platform. This powerful tool is designed for active traders seeking an edge in the market. It offers a comprehensive suite of features, including real-time data, advanced charting capabilities, and robust analytical tools. You can personalize your trading experience by customizing your workspace, ensuring all the information you need is readily available. We will explore how to leverage these features to make informed trading decisions and manage your portfolio effectively. Navigating Power Etrade is intuitive, designed to put essential information at your fingertips. Upon logging in, you will see your personalized dashboard, providing a snapshot of your account and market activity. The clear navigation bar allows you to effortlessly move between different sections, such as trading, research, and accounts. You can also customize various widgets to display precisely the data most important to your trading strategy, ensuring a streamlined and efficient workflow. Placing trades on Power Etrade is straightforward and efficient. The integrated trade ticket allows for rapid order entry, supporting various order types such as market, limit, and stop orders. Before executing any trade, always take a moment to carefully review all the order details to ensure accuracy. Once submitted, you can easily monitor the status of your open positions and pending orders directly from your portfolio view, giving you complete control over your investments. Power Etrade truly shines with its advanced features and extensive customization options. Dive into sophisticated charting tools, offering over 100 technical indicators to analyze market trends in depth. You can set up personalized alerts for specific price movements or breaking news, ensuring you never miss a critical opportunity. Create and manage multiple watch lists to keep a close eye on potential investments, and even backtest your trading strategies to refine your approach before committing capital.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.